found some clay vessels with scrolls in ancient Hebrew and Aramaic. They were the oldest known biblical texts, the Qumran texts of the Essenes. And one of the texts that could be recovered is called the Apocryphal Genesis, also known as the Lamech scroll. Lamech, according to the Bible we know, is Noah's father. So, in that scroll, Lamech asks his wife Bat-Enosh, who was pregnant with Noah, "Tell me, my wife, the child you are expecting, is he my son? Or is he the son of the Watchers of Worlds or Guardians of Planets?" Only 20% of the Dead Sea Scrolls have been made public to the global audience. The remaining 80% still lies dormant. Why? Because if the little that has been published says things as outrageous as these, imagine what the other 80% might say. But this will surprise you. Recently, a massive leak in the Vatican released that 80% of information, revealing a shocking secret about our origin that we shouldn't know. If you want to know it, comment Lamech and click on this icon, then click on More.